Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Reggie Winston, and today I'm just doing a unboxing. Of course, right? That's what it said on the description, Reggie. Of course, we know that. This unboxing is going to be of the Panasonic Arc Shaver. I'm not sure how long this shaver's been out, but this is it's supposed to be one of the best shavers out there. What I see right off the back, nice packaging, of course. Has 5 shaving heads on it, and it tilts different ways. You know, it's just pretty nice looking shaver. It also has a warranty, 2-year limited warranty. So hey, when you purchasing something, you want to make sure that you're getting a good warranty with it, right? Especially when you're spending the money. This shaver retails for $149.99. Most barbers like myself that got some kind of sense know we can purchase a shaver from Walls or Andis or Babyliss for like $80, you know. So when we get into that 150 range, it kind of make you question if this is a purchase that's worth purchasing. So in the future, I want you to write down in the comments below, let me know what would you like me to compare this shaver to. I do have a Babyliss. I have the Braun. You know, I put that video out a while ago. If you haven't seen that, I'm gonna try to link it there, one of these places, wherever. I gotta get used to this new camera setup, y'all. Give me a break. But I'm gonna try to link it up there so you can check that out. Now, a lot of barbers, if you're a barber and you commented on that video and you had an opinion, I kind of respect it a little bit more. I make these videos for barbers. We try to make barbers better around here, and buying decisions, right, is one of those things. And I think that Braun shaver at $250 is too much money when I can get an Andis shaver and I can do, you know, the same thing. I feel like the Andis cuts closer faster. The Braun is a little bit, it don't cut as close to me, right? Just me personally and the clients I have in my chair. It seemed like I have to do multiple passes with that. The Andis, I can, you know, get that thing. It's only 2 heads on that. So, I try to just make sure people spend their money in the right places. So this one was interesting to me because it was $150 compared to Braun, $250. They have also this shaver where it comes with a docking station, and I think it cleans your clipper. I know it charges it, but I think it cleans it as well. That was $250, and I didn't want to spend the money again, right? But I figure I can muster out this. And what I'm gonna try to do, I'm trying to put a link in the description where I think you can get a better deal than that $150. Click that link after this video, and yeah, I think I can hook you up with something better than $150. But the going rate is $150. What I already noticed is before I open this up, this definitely works with the wet or dry. Now the Andis and the Wall and those cheaper shavers don't do wet shaving. So if you're a person that wants to do wet shaving in your barbershop, with this, with the shaver instead of a razor, this would be something you will definitely want to check out. But most of the times people do wet shaves, they're using a straight razor. Once again, this is the barbershop. It has an illuminated LED display. It's a lithium ion battery. Up to 45 minutes of cordless operation. It's a 1-hour charge time and a 5-minute quick charge for one shave. Has a travel lock on it. Comes with a travel case inside, and automatic universal voltage. So I'm guessing it's going to work just about anywhere. All right, and let me see what's on the other side here. Yeah, this shaver was made in Japan. The actual cord, the charger, was made in China. Like I said, it has a 2-year limited warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't like it, you can send this thing back and get your money back. You don't have to take it back to the store. You can send it directly to them. That's pretty dope. And they said that foils and blades should be changed 1 to 2 years. And I think that's for those who own this for personal use. You shaving 1 time a day with this. Barbers that are doing well, like myself, we will use this probably 10 to 15 to 20 times a day. Matters on how many clients you got coming in that day. So that 1 to 2 years definitely would shrink down to probably 6 months to 1 year. You understand what I'm saying, right? Because you're going to be using it more. All right. And like I said, this has 5 shaver heads or 5 foils. It also has the little pop-up thing so you can trim your mustache. Won't give a super sharp line, but it'll clean you up, of course, and your sideburns. 14,000 CPM. I'm gonna guess that means strokes per minute, as SPM do with clippers. has shave sensor technology, so it's supposed to detect the density of your beard and put enough power to the trimmer to make sure it gets through your beard. So if you have less density, it won't use as much power. Like I said, it's a multi-flex, so it tilts forward and back and side to side. And like I said, it has 5 different foils. So let's go ahead and open this thing on up right quick. Y'all, I didn't have my knife, but I do got this little key. Got this little tool on my keychain that really helps out. So I got that piece open a little bit there. It's already looking promising, man. I like the things that they're saying about it, and I like what comes in it. Like, I didn't want to get the more expensive one with the cleaner and the charging dock, but it do come with a travel case. This is definitely marketed to those gentlemen, not barbers, but just everyday individual people who need something nice to travel with and use it at home. All right, I'll put that box over to the side for now. Actually, just put it right here, and we'll cut this on so we can get a better view. All right, cool. So you get the operating instructions. I'm guessing this is a. Let's just get this out of the way real quick. How to clean, that's good to know. Operating instructions. What is this thing here? Nice little registration card and a warranty card. Nice. And they got accessories that you can go purchase. So yeah, you get all this good stuff like I showed you here. The how to clean, warranty, registration card, and your operation instructions. So here goes the box here. Comes wrapped up. Charging cord here. Yeah, that's a pretty big brick right there, right? It's going to take up a lot of room on your outlet. And I wonder, like, you know, in other countries, do they come with a different, I'm sure they come with a different thing. Whatever I'm trying to say, you know what I'm saying, the plug. But here in America, it comes with this, the American one. Yeah, that's definitely, this connector is proprietary. I think that's how you say the word, where it only fits that brand. I have never seen this connection before in my life. All right, so let's get to it. Man, it comes in the case already. Smart packaging. Let's open this up. Actually, let me put this camera down. Let's angle it down so you can see what I'm doing. Cool. It's a leather case. Nice. This case is pretty cool. It's almost like a leather dang on guitar case almost, right? Wow. This thing almost reminds me of like my grandma's old cigarette bag. If you're that old, like if you're old enough to remember cigarette bags, go ahead and hit that like button, yo. Let me know what color your grandma used to have, because grandmas was the only ones that had the cigarette bag that had a little snap closure on top. y'all too young for that. All right, nice zipper, and it still comes nice touch inside. Put that to the side. All right, it still comes wrapped up in its own bag. Nice. Got a head here, a cover for your head. Awesome. Got a cover for the foil shaver, like the head, and you can definitely see the articulation in there, right? See that? Definitely some articulation. Yeah. So I can see how that can be nice and contour your face really well. And how you pop this up? So that's the lock. Let's see. Let's try to put it on lock. Yep. So it doesn't move when it's on lock. And that's how you pop this thing up here. Your shave, your trimmer. Like I said, that thing is not going to do much of anything, but it's there. You know, for those people don't. I just realized I wasn't talking to the mic. That sucks. Now I got to really figure out how to do this. The shaver comes really nicely packaged. It's lightweight. It's a lot of plastic, of course. Try to put this back down. Okay, cool. Let's pop this shaver cover off. I'm not sure if you pull anything on the sides. Okay. Nothing you have to really press. You just pull it up. This releases the head on it. Nice. So it's only two. That's interesting. So it's only two blades in here. Let's get a look at that. So as you see, it's only 2 blades in the clipper head. I was expecting 5, considering this forehead had 5 things. Let's look at the inside of his forehead. So, that's 1. So that thing will move on the inside. Those 2 blades will move on the inside. These actually move though. The 3. That's interesting. Did they gimmick us, or I don't know. And I don't. Okay, cool. They got to go back that way. All right, cool. Wow. I'm not going to cut it on. When you have a lithium-ion battery inside of a device, you want to charge it all the way up. So I'm not going to cut it on. I do feel some nice grip on the side. It's like a soft touch plastic, or maybe even a leather. I'm not sure. It's like a rubber. Maybe it's definitely rubber. It's definitely not leather, but it's a nice rubber feel on the sides of it. Got an LED display on and off button there. Has a lock there as well. Yeah, I'm interested to use it. So my goal is to use it in the next few days. If you have something you want me to compare it to, please let me know. We could definitely do that video as well, because I want to help you make the best purchasing, or I want to help you make smarter purchases as a barber. These things, I know that people refer to them as investments. I'm gonna say these are expenses to items that you're going to use. All right, an investment. I like investments where you don't have to pick it up and use it. But anyway, yo, the packaging comes nice leather bag, nice little charging. It's proprietary though. Like, this is their personal. I've never seen this charging connected before. Box coming, some little cardboard. Everything comes nicely packaged, and I'm impressed with the package and then the warranty, 2-year warranty. I'm impressed with the fact that it's a 30-day money-back guarantee. I'm also impressed with, they say change the forehead every 1 to 2 years. That's if it's personal use. I say if you're a barber, 6 months to a year. Don't stretch it out that long. I can imagine that their shaving head and their foil can probably be expensive. I'm not sure. We're looking into that in the future. But yeah, I'm excited to try it out, man. So if you're interested in how well does this do compared to any other shaver, you let me know, and I will try to make that video happen for you. Thank you, man. This is my barbershop, by the way. If you've never seen a video of me actually in a barbershop, this is what my shop look like, y'all. And it's a beautiful spot, but it take a lot to maintain. So shout out to all the people that work here that really help maintain it, and all our amazing customers who support us and deserve a clean barbershop like this. So yeah, this is Reggie Winston. Together we make barbers better. Thank you for being a part of this community. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I just want to get you to consider subscribing to this channel, and I really appreciate it. Let's continue to make stuff happen and end this year with a bang. All right, peace out. Excuse me, man. Let me get these mic levels right. Yeah. Let's focus on me. Can you focus on me? Camera, can you focus on me?